Hello, my name is Otasowi Osayande, and this is my Lab 3 video demonstration for Fanuc Robot. I'm going to start it now in auto mode. Now it's running through the program. Now I'm going to open the digital outputs. So as you can see, here is the first world zone, the peak position. And I'm going to reduce the speed down to 30. So you can see the second one come on. So the Cartesian world zone is always on when the robot is outside, and once the robot gets into that zone, it goes off like now. And for the second one, the reference point, when it's outside that position, the place ready position, it is off, and when it gets to that particular position, it turns on. I see it's going back to the place position, peak part goes off. Let me slow it down a little bit more, like 20, 15, comes on and goes off. Reference goes off, comes on. So I just use two reference position, Cartesian here and reference point here, or joint position here. Now it's going back to Cartesian world zone. D out 49 should turn off. Yeah, because and once it's outside that zone and back at the reference, this turns on, off. Let's say it one more time. D out 50 should turn on. Once the robot gets to this position, this is the place position. It's on. Thank you very much.